Okay, so for those of you who homeschool or who have young children or tweens or teens, there's probably been some question out there about why do horses at this time? Why am I not, because I could just have milk goats out here and chickens and that kind of thing. And so for those of you who are wondering about successful homeschooling and why homeschool and that kind of thing, so much of learning for kids, if you want them to have a lot of skills, is about timing. And one of the things that I was struggling with Paige was her concentration level and her desire to move and to exercise and her ability to control her own emotions. And we found when we started doing a writing lesson once a week that really improved. And so when I saw that it improved, we started doing writing lessons 3 times a week. And it was pretty much all I was spending money on, besides groceries. And the reason that it's such a priority for me is that I believe the reason you homeschool is so that you can educate in a way that sticks, and you can educate in a way that is pleasurable and pleasant for everyone, and that creates independent people. And so that's what the horses are for, is when we found something that worked, that taught those skills that I really wanted for her, where we were butting heads before by, sorry, I'm trying to keep the wind out of the camera, by watching for clues on what would help her to learn in a way that would stick. I don't think usually that happens in a desk. I think it happens in real life with real skills. And so that's the purpose of all this, is to teach without actually teaching, to teach through self-awareness and through life experiences rather than just writing and memorizing, even though those have their place. So that is why the horses and why the timing. You watch for those crucial moments when the kids are anxious to learn, and you find a way to teach them that matters to them. Watch the halter, babe. Hey, Paige, come get the halter.
What are you doing?
I'm getting the camera.
Oh.